Hi, I'm Josh, co-founder here at Tala. We're here in our London showroom in Shoreditch today, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about our brand. When we founded Tala back in 2015, it wasn't just about lighting. It was about solving a deeper problem, how to make sustainability desirable. Back then, 90% of the world's lighting still relied on outdated incandescent technology. LEDs were efficient but cold, clunky, and very uninviting. We saw a chance to do much better. Tala was born from a belief that good design could help shift behavior, that sustainable products didn't need to feel like a compromise, and that better light could improve how people feel in their space. To make the best lighting possible, we bring three things together: design, technology, and sustainability. Often that means pushing the limits of electrical performance while working with the most beautiful materials and craftsmanship that we can find. Our products are designed with purpose, to last, to be repaired, and ultimately to be loved. We use premium materials like borosilicate glass, solid metals, and we avoid plastics at all costs. What began in a small East London studio is now an award-winning British lighting brand with an international team of designers, engineers, and makers. We started with one focus: to create the world's best LED light bulbs, combining elegant glass designs with top-tier electrical components for outstanding light quality. Since then, we've expanded into full lighting systems for the home, from decorative pendants and bathroom fixtures to dimmers, canopies, and wall lights. Tala is a certified B Corp, meeting the highest standards for social and environmental performance, which is all part of our mission to be the definitive zero-carbon lighting brand. We're proud to have shipped over 4 million units to date, and today Tala is trusted by some of the world's leading interior designers, architects, and hospitality groups. Whether it's a sculptural chandelier in a restaurant or a bedside lamp in a guest house, we design with real spaces and real people in mind. Service is also a big focus for us. We know that projects and renovations can be quite stressful. We have a great customer team, and we make sure Tala lights arrive on time and perform beautifully. So, welcome to Tala. In this video, we'll take you through our collections, systems, some signature designs, so you can better understand what makes Tala lighting stand out. Let's start with the bulbs, because that's where Tala began, and it's still at the heart of what we do. We have a big range of light sources available, from decorative exposed filament designs to technical high-performance bulbs. Tala also has a custom bulb and electronics program for bespoke project work like hotels or special fixture designs. Our goal has always been to create LED bulbs that don't just perform well, but that people actually want to live with. That's why we pay close attention to every detail, like the shape, the shadowing, the glass finish, the tone of the light, and the way it dims. We've designed our bulbs to feel more like candlelight or daylight, depending on the moment, not the harsh clinical light a lot of LEDs still give off. Tala has a range of mouth-blown decorative bulbs like the oval range or Gaia bulbs that are statement pieces that elevate a space even when switched off. Our bulbs are designed to be design objects in their own right, something you don't always have to hide behind or under a shade. A great example of this is our Sphere range. These are our go-to bulbs for open fixtures or anywhere the bulb is on display. We have a matte white finish frosted on the outside, soft edges, and this produces a really even diffused glow, so they're comfortable to look at even when you dim them down, going from a bright white when you need to focus to a warm amber for the evening. We also make a range of more technical bulbs for compact or architectural fittings like G9s, GU10s, and our light engine family. The G9s are small but high performance. You'll often see them in bathroom mirrors, wall lights, or decorative fixtures where space is tight. We've worked hard to make them flicker-free, long-lasting, and low heat. For spaces and designs that need higher lumens, so more light, with great performance, we have a full range of light engines. These are great when you need the light to really punch through a beautiful material like alabaster, glass, or fabric. The GU10 is more directional, great for spotlights and downlights. Again, we've prioritized color accuracy, dimming performance, and these are made from ceramic, not plastic. A lot of GU10s on the market flicker or drop out at low levels. Ours are built for smoother, more reliable control. Also in the US, we offer an integrated light engine in place of the GU10s for some spotlights and downlights. For spaces that need more architectural lights, like kitchens, corridors, or bathrooms, we've developed our core range. These are our recessed downlights and spotlights. The UK version uses our GU10, and the US version is fitted with that sealed light engine I just mentioned before. So the design language and performance is consistent, it's just tailored for different markets. Core is a clean, understated architectural option. It works really well alongside our decorative fixtures, keeping the whole lighting scheme consistent. Of course, all of this comes to life when it's paired with the right dimmer. Our dimmers are designed in-house and engineered specifically for the best LED performance. They're trailing edge, which means they're better matched to how LEDs behave, and they give you a smoother control without flicker or dropout. Ours are really simple. We've stripped out any complexity. There's no custom settings. It's just smooth, really simple rotary dimming. Each one has a solid, knurled linear brass or aluminium dial that feels great to use, and a minimal faceplate that blends into the wall. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference to the experience. We see it as part of the system, bulb, fixture, control, all working together to create better light. Muse is our modern take on the classic lantern, designed to be both decorative and practical. Something you can carry outside, move around the house, or keep glowing softly on a table or windowsill. The inspiration for this design came from 19th century British pleasure gardens. These were spaces created for conversation, gathering, and entertaining. That spirit informed everything: the silhouette, the color palette, the way it feels in the hand, and making sure it's designed to withstand the harshest of British weather. At the center is a low voltage, dim to warm Tala LED mounted within a borosilicate glass shell that's weather resistant and built to last. You get up to 24 hours battery life, and it charges via USB-C on the back or on our custom wireless charging pads that you can see here. The knurled brass dimmer on the front gives you smooth, stepless control. It can take you from a soft candle like 2000 Kelvin at the bottom to a brighter, more functional 2800 Kelvin at the top end, and this delivers 400 lumens. With a color rendering index of 97, the light quality from the Muse is really exceptional. Perfect for dining, reading, or simply winding down at the end of the day. Muse comes in a range of timeless colors. I've got Pleasure Garden Green, which is a beautiful sage in my hand. We've got Hackles Black, Candlenut White, Pomona Red, and 2 Farron Ball colors. Setting Plaster, which is a soft, dusty pink, and Selvage Blue. There are also 2 special editions. The Solid Brass Muse, which is heavier, warmer, and will develop a natural patina over time. We also have the rugged IP65 version, which has a shatterproof shell and is ideal for poolside, coastal settings, or commercial spaces. You can also add a matching canvas bag for travel, storage, and essentially just to protect the Muse wherever you go. Importantly, every part of the Muse is designed to be repairable, including the battery, the base, the bulb, the shell, so it stays in use for many years to come. Mantle is a smaller, more minimal portable. The idea here was to distill lighting down to something really simple and intimate, almost like a modern candle. It's made from a single piece of stainless steel, folded into this nice conical shape, and combined with a custom small cap LED bulb. This casts a warm light downward onto your table. It's compact, quiet, and designed to complement the moment, not take over your space. The mantle light is rechargeable with USB-C on the back. It takes 4 hours to fully charge and delivers a lovely 2200 Kelvin. And the control is built into the side. It has 2 dimming modes, a simple step dimmer for quick control, and a press and hold that lets you kind of fine tune the brightness to suit the mood in your space. We built custom electronics with this one, and we're really proud of it. It's really easy to replace the A cells in this portable. So there's no fuss, no hidden screws, no throwaway tech here. Mantle comes in 3 finishes: the cobalt blue, the granite black, and one of our studio favorites, the stone white. All powder coated for durability and a smooth matte feel. Globally, we throw away over 50 million tons of electronic waste each year, and most portable LED products end up in landfill because the batteries can't be replaced, the light sources might be integrated. So with both the Muse and Mantle collection, the goal was the same, to create portable lighting that feels as refined, robust, and useful as our fixed wired fixtures. That means high performance LEDs, intuitive dimming, long battery life, thoughtful finishes, and crucially, repairability. Firth is our first IP65 wet rated wall light, designed for bathrooms, outdoor areas, and any space where you need durability without compromising on style. It's inspired by vintage industrial bulkhead lighting, but reinterpreted with a softer, more modern approach. Its thick glass and fluid design create a soft, radiant glow that brings depth and elegance to your interior or exterior designs. The result is a clean, compact form that gives off a warm, ambient glow. IP65 means it's sealed against dust and safe from splashes, so that's ideal for bathrooms in zone 1 and 2, wet rooms, or outdoor spaces. There are no visible fixings, just a clean flush mount. Firth creates a really nice halo of light that gently washes across the surface behind it. This is really nice if you have beautiful tiles or a statement wall color. Firth adds atmosphere without overpowering the space. We use mouth-blown borosilicate glass with 40% recycled content to create a soft diffusion of light with texture on the side from these beautiful glass ridges. Most lights like this have integrated LEDs, so when the light goes, the whole fitting has to be replaced. With Firth, you just switch out the bulb, no hassle, no electrician. Firth comes with a replaceable GX53 dim to warm LED bulb that shifts from a 3000 Kelvin down to a warm 2000 Kelvin. So bright and clear when you need it, soft and amber when you want to create a cozy, luxurious atmosphere. Firth's minimal form makes it ideal for creative layouts, whether it's installed around mirrors like we have here, or symmetrically down hallways, or clustered on the ceilings. You can create really architectural lighting schemes with this design. This is our most versatile wall light yet, refined, resilient, and ready for anywhere. We can't wait to see what you do with it in the wild.